Soyez le bienvenue. So this is Learn French with Queen. So I'm glad having you. This is the first time you're tuning in. This is a platform where we learn French in an amazing way. So in my last video, we looked at the French accent, and today we'll continue on that topic, the French accent. So we'll be looking at how they are used in words and the sounds they give. So today we'll be looking at L'accent Aigu Et La Cédille. So let's start. Accent aigu comes with a mark ascending forward, and it is mostly used with the vowel E. This way, E in French language, you will always find accent aigu with this vowel. So let's look at it. Let's look at the sound it gives an example. So this is it. Accent aigu gives the sound A. Please let us note. Accent aigu gives the sound A in words like école. École, which means school, in words like église, which means church, in words like épée, which means sword. Can we hear the A sound? École, église, épée. Can we hear the A sound? Étoile. So, épée means sword, étoile means star. In words like Tréma, can we hear the A sound? Tréma. In words like té, which means sea. Tréma is an accent in French language, and we have té, the té we drink. So let's move on. We have La Cédille. La Cédille looks like a little bit of S underneath. It is always underneath a C, this way, in French language. And it gives the sound S. So let's look at them in words. We have it in words like ça va. Note, steady, underneath the C, give the sound S before A, before O, and before U. Please note, that is the way you will always find it in any French word. So it gives the sound S in words like ça va. Can we see the variant of the A in front of the cédille? Ça va, which means how are you? How is it? It can mean anything like hope you are okay, I'm fine, that's ça va for you. We have leçon. Can we see the O variant that is in front of the cédille underneath the C, which gives leçon. So that gives the S sound, the sound. We have it in façon. Leçon means lesson. Façon means manner or way of doing something. Façon. Son. Can we hear the sound? We have it in words like déçue. Can we see that in fact this word has a combination of two accents? It has a combination of aigu, accent aigu, and cédille. We have accent aigu, the A sound, and the cédille underneath it. So we have déçue, which means, oh, tu m'as déçu. The first meaning you give to it, déçu, means you disappointed me or you deceived me. So let's continue. We have garçon, which means a boy. Can we see the O variant of it? Like, I made the O form when it's before a C with a cédille underneath it. So garçon means a boy. We have aperçu. Can you hear the S sound? So aperçu is from the verb apercevoir, which means to perceive something. So I hope we can now distinguish the basic French accent we have and the sound they give and how we can pronounce them in words. Like accent aigu gives the sound A, La Cédille gives the sound S. I hope you find this video useful as you start embarking on your reading skills, that is reading French books, novels, and the rest of it, to your listening skills, to your audios when you hear the sound like ça va, garçon, so you can differentiate that, oh, garçon has a cédille underneath it, that is why it is pronounced that way, and in your French learning generally. So I hope this will be a basic guide to learning how to read, write, and speak in French. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Don't forget to like and share to friends and family that will love this content or that will love to learn French language. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so that you will be the first to be notified when I drop my videos. That is, if you've not subscribed. And those who have subscribed, I say a big thank you. So see you in my next one.